how about yellow?
Perfect!
With blue hair on top. So how do we get past the pigs, oh knight in shining armor?
We...
Oh, I know! We can throw cakes at them! And while the pigs are eating, we make our getaway!
Hang on, Emily Elizabeth. We're coming to rescue you.
Look, guys!
The castle!
That's where Emily is.
This story is so good.
I know, it's great.
So what happens now that we're at the castle?
Well, I guess we open the door and look inside to see a big, scary ogre.
You mean like that? Ah!
Wow, it's really raining out there.
Mac?
Hi, guys. What are you doing?
We're making up a story. Wanna play?
What's the story about?
Oh, it's the greatest! It started when Clifford drove up in this yellow car, and then he let me drive, and I turned it purple, and T-Bo made it rain, only we had an umbrella. And then these pigs came along who were green, no blue, no green, no yellow, with blue hair. So we threw them some cake and built some wings and a crank and flew across the river to rescue Emily from the castle of a big green ogre.
Cool story. So what happens next?
Well, we were just about to open the castle door.
We have come to rescue Emily Elizabeth, hideous big green ogre.
You know, all ogres aren't green and hideous. Some, like myself, are actually quite handsome.
Fine, you can be a handsome ogre. Now can we have Emily Elizabeth back?
No! Now go away!
Wow, good ogre, Mac. Now chase me!
Okay.
Ah! Oh, no! Help! Oh!
Okay, so if the ogre's chasing Cleo, then... Oh, I know! The pigs are chasing me!
Clifford! Over here! Save me! It's good to see you, boy. Thanks for the rescue, oh big red knight in shining armor. See you home for dinner.
Ogre coming through!
Excuse me.
Watch for flying pigs!
Hey, look! The sun's come out.
That's okay, Clifford. Ogres aren't afraid of sunshine.
Right. A little sun isn't gonna stop us.
No, not in the story. Here, on Birdwell Island.
Really?
Whoa!
Come on, let's go outside.
But I don't want to go outside.
I thought you couldn't wait for it to stop raining, Cleo.
That was before we started doing this really fun storytelling thing, Clifford.
It is fun to make up stories.
I love it!
So let's stay inside and make up some more.
That's the great thing about telling stories, guys. You don't have to stay inside to tell them. You can tell them anywhere.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You hear that, ogre? The story continues. Only this time, I'm gonna chase you.
Clifford, now that you've rescued Emily Elizabeth, would you mind being a pig and chasing after me?
Sure. Oink, oink, oink.
Yeah! Oh no! A giant red pig is chasing me! Ah! Oink, oink, oink!
This would be a whole lot easier if I had my purple poodle dragster.
Whoa!